Hi there, how are you guys? We got here this pop football, and me and my son was playing in
On
the
the
road and the
road.
hard surfaces, and that's where we got popped. We shouldn't be playing, but we're gonna test it today with the egg yolk white. We done this one first. Looks good actually. So far, a good one. I
Really bouncy.
leave it for 24 hours. This one, I got other one. You just get the footballs when you put air in, get syringe. You can get from I got from eBay. You can get from pharmacies and stuff. Fill with the egg white, only egg white. Uh, Push it in slowly, slowly. Otherwise, and make sure you take the air out. Otherwise, gonna won't go in. So push it in very slowly. Slowly, slowly, it should be all okay. All going. That's okay. It's all gone in. I'm gonna do maybe another one. You can do it twice. Yeah, that looks good to me.
One more time.
One more time, yeah. Yeah, that
Yeah.
looks good.
Now we get the pumping.
I'm gonna get pumping.
And
Just
fill-
pump in. To be honest, I put
fill
the
the
air in
one
with the
in there.
pump, whatever you like, and it should be okay.
Yeah.
Just mix it up.
Shake it. And then pump it up until you want it.
Yeah, that looks good. Now just mix a few times, shake it, and just leave it for 24 hours until you get proper settle, and you should be good actually. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.